Hello. Normally, when I do these little screen captures, not that anyone's watching, I usually just do them silent with some text bubbles and stuff, and they're usually pretty concise and to the point. But I figured I would just run through what I just experienced. So to start off, Windows has a function where if you select a whole bunch of files, it'll rename them for you all the same, but it'll append a number on them. So I'll just show you that right now. We can select everything. Click on any of them. Basically, that's where it'll start the numbering sequence. I'll start from the top. We'll do File, hit Enter, and there it goes. It renames everything and makes everything really nice, which is a great feature. Now, I'm in the habit of, I like adding zeros in my number sequences, which I think this should do automatically anyway, but it doesn't, and it's been that way since the beginning. So I usually go through and I add zeros to my single digits and 2 zeros if I'm actually dealing with 100. Program called Better File Renamer, which helps with that too, but I won't get into that. Anyway, so now I have this, nice number list. Let's say I wanted to go in and I wanted to change, maybe the date modified, or I wanted to rename it according to size. So, now I want it, and we'll do it again. Now, what you should do in this situation is you need to change the actual root name to like files or something. And therefore, as you can see, that worked. Otherwise, if we just go in and just delete this again, basically it's going to start off, with anything that's not unique and basically start off at the bottom of the list and keep going, which really isn't what we want. So the problem is if you forget about that. So we have our number list, and we gotta do this again. So now back here again, numbered list with zeros. Here's the issue. Say we want to, reorder by date modified or whatever, and we forget that we need to change the actual name, and we just do it. Well, yeah, that didn't do what I wanted. So I'm just going to undo. I'm going to use Control Z and I'm going to undo. What? That's what happens. It will overwrite several of your files that have the same name without any kind of prompt. It just basically reverses them and they get lost and they go away. So I'm missing 6 files now, and they are erased. I mean, they're not in the recycling bin. They're gone. I mean, the only way you're getting these back is you shut down right now. Don't make any new files. Don't change anything. Just shut down, and then you have to run some recovery software. And you'll find them pretty quick because they're not. It's nothing deep. It's nothing that's been reformatted. But I mean, that's really kind of beside the point. It's like, then there's still a chance that they could get corrupted or anything that happens during the shutdown sequence or anything else. So I'm pretty frustrated with this. And so I mean it's part user error, but it's I'd say it's a glitch or a flaw or an oversight in the operating system for sure. So I guess just be careful if you ever are in the habit of using the Windows file renamer to to always change the base file name if you're gonna reorder these or change them, because otherwise, well, or just don't undo. Either way. So that's my little video, my little beware. I hope it helps, or I don't know. That's about it.